Hey everybody, happy Sunday. Hope you're all having a lovely weekend. I'm just here to give you your update on this week's sweat program. The overview is going to be pretty similar as normal, except for on Friday we are actually going to be starting test week or benchmark week a little bit early. That's going to be running not this week, but the next week in CrossFit class. We've got our benchmark week starting. And alongside that, we're going to have our sweat benchmark week as well. But we're going to have one extra little one on this Friday, just to get as much in as we can. So to start though, on Monday we've got an EMOM style workout, 10 rounds. In your first minute, you're going to be doing 40 seconds on your ski erg. Second minute, 40 seconds on your runner. Third minute, 40 seconds on your rower, and then you've got a full minute of rest where you get to note down the calories that you got in each of those rounds. So your score is going to be for max calories. You will obviously have 20 seconds rest in each of those minutes as well, but really that time is going to be taken up by moving from your machine to the next one. And if you need to get it set up differently to the person who's in front of you, then that's your time to make those changes. On Tuesday, we are onto our Hierarchs Prep Tuesday. It's going to be a partnered workout and it's going to be a 45-minute cap on this. We did do one very similar to this before. This is slightly different though. So together, you're going to be going for a 1K run. Once that's completed, partner one jumps on the rower and partner two jumps on the ski erg. From there, both of you are going to complete 500 meters on your respective machines, and then you swap, and partner two will do the row and partner one will do the ski. We have three more sections just like that, except for it's going to be the ski shared. So you'll do a kilometer shared, and then it'll be partner one doing 500 meters on the run, partner two on the row, swap again. Then in your third block, it's going to be a kilometer shared on the row, again, 500 meters on your ski and your runner. And then final one is going to be the same as that first block. So 1K on your run shared with the 500-meter swaps on your row and your ski. So that should be lots of work. And yeah, constant work except for in those 1K blocks where you get to go IO style. Then on Wednesday we have a repeat WOD Super Sprint Triathlon. We did this before on back in April, so on the 19th of April we did this. So make sure you check your scores if you were in. This is a take on your classic Super Sprint Triathlon, which is an event in and of itself. We've got a 45-minute time cap. The 1.5K row is replacing the standard swim you're in a normal sprint triathlon. So you got 1.5K row into a 10K bike into a 2.5K run. So that's going to be a big test. And if you did do this before, please do check your times beforehand. Thursday, as ever, sweat and stretch. Nice min max work here. And we've got some upper and lower banded work in the middle. So you'll have 6 minutes to complete between 12 and 1500 meters on your run, and on your row and on your run, on both sides. So we'll have a little break in the middle as well, and then some stretching and activation work in the middle. On Friday, like I said at the start, our test week is starting. So we've got our marathon bike. We have done this twice before. So we did this back in January, so the 1st of March as well. So 18th of January, check the score, and 1st of March was another date we did it. So this is the third time around. Sweat marathon bike, or the marathon bike, and you've got 45 minutes to complete 21-kilometer cycle through the Alps. So we'll have a video up on the board, and you can keep an eye on that or keep an eye on your monitor. But if you did do it the last time, try and think back on how you approached it. Was your damper right the way up to 10 like Dave Kelly, or were you were you somewhere in the middle there? So just have a think about it beforehand on how you're going to approach it. Then on Saturday we have an older workout, so Sweat Marathon 6. It's going to be 20 minutes of work on each side. You're going to go for 1K on your bike, 400 meters on your run, and then rest 1 minute. You'll do that for 20 minutes, seeing how many meters you accumulate in total. We'll rest for a few minutes, and then on the far side, in the second round, you're going to go 500 meters on your row, 500 meters on your ski, 1 full minute rest, and then go again for the full time. So that is how your sweat is looking for this week. I hope everyone had a lovely weekend, and we will see you all tomorrow. Bye.